Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix App Store not working on iPhone after iOS 18 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1, check for restrictions. Tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on Screen time. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on Content and Privacy restrictions. Tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Tap on installing apps. Tap on allow and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is reset home screen. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general. Scroll up. Tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset setting. Tap on reset home screen layout. You can see appears on screen reset home screen. Your home screen will be reset to the default iPhone layout. Downloaded apps will appear alphabetically after the reset. First home screen page and app folders will be removed. Hidden apps will remain hidden. Tap on reset home screen to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check for iOS update. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general. Tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact appstore.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix App Store not showing on iPhone after iOS 18 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.